Hello guys, welcome back again to my video. This is the part 2 of my gameplay of Frostborn. So the previous video was we are gathering resources and building the district, our own district. So now we don't know what to do, so we was going back to the camp. There's the exit. Okay. I think you can hear me. I think I have to lower the sounds. Here we go. Okay, let's go back to the camp. We need a lot of research or things to do here. Available theories, don't be upset if you can access it. What the fuck is this happen? You can do multi-path. But something I want. Do we have enemies here? Okay, we have. Open the. What is this? Go to the forest and whisper. What does that mean? Scout. Go to the forest and whisper. Collect 2 times limestone in the forest. Where is forest, bro? Do we have to get something limestone? I think we collect limestone first because that's the most basic thing we do. Where's the limestone? We don't have here. With this? Let's see. Okay, can't even pass. Oh, we haven't collect. The collection doesn't work. Okay, let's go to the forest. Go to the forest, bro. Be careful to this. Aware of goons, bro. Where are we? Nakag-district siya kung meron na. Ito na, Forest of Whispers. This is our camp, bro. This. Ayun, bro, my throat so spicy. So hearty, bro. So hearty. Daming kalaban. Oh, fudge, bro. Wait, spear. I have no choice but to fight back. Yep, I am dying. I am indeed dying. Oh my fudge. I have to get these foods, bro. Damn this. Okay. We have to be alive, bro, because I didn't expect that, bro. I didn't expect that. Moose. Get these berries. Get some berries. Okay. We're small. Damn, bro. I almost died that, bro. That was unexpected and unpredictable. What's the difference between spear and sword? I don't know the difference, but let's go anyway. Oh, collect 2 limestone. Okay, ito pala yung limestone. That's good. Like this. They are indeed weak, but it will be a waste if they keep attacking me like thing, bro. See? They hit that, they hit. Okay, equip a spear. Turn stealth mode. Stealth the approach, target behind. Stealth attack does much more damage. Any weapons only. Okay, bro. Stealth attack. Equip. Equip with spear. So how do I stealth? I stealth. Nagpunti yung wolves. Ay! Ay! I'm gonna die, bro. No, 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 no. Oh, I died. That thing lied, bro. What do you mean much stronger? Weapon breaker. What does that mean? I died. Where's my weapon at? I'm gonna kill that thing. Of course, we need some food, man. Enough food resource. Ay nako, ay nako. I didn't expect that. What is this? Photo. Temple of the Ancestors. What does that mean? There's so many things I don't know about. Good enough. Oh, okay. We have to kill the enemies. Oh, I think I just drop my weapons out there. Well, where's my dead body, bro? I think yun. Yep. Get this spear. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nito. Puno natin yung lahat. Okay, take off. Okay, that's enough. Oh my gosh. One shot? No way, man. I killed one now, bro. Oh, then there's a wolf. Died. Now we killed two. Okay. What's next? Kill another. But it's two now. You have to be careful. What the hell? They're so tough. Okay, we have enough. Eat. Collect the reward from the immortal path. Where's the reward at? Oh, you can shoot arrows, bro. What is this? Collect 2 plant fibers in the forest whispers. Collect. The level has been increased now. I am now indeed level 1. Make berries. Where's the berries? Trim po natin pa yung inventory. Which one should I throw? Maybe this one. Ano ba to? Yes, the ninja, bro. I may need you soon, but not now. Para pa healing. Saan yun? Grab nga pala yun. Oh, healing! Oh, healing ointment, bro. No way. Now we have this. Now we have to heal ourselves. Nice one. Open a chest in the forest whispers. There we go, bro. We're opening the chest. Yes, sir. Oh, we didn't have enough inventory for this. Okay. get 2 scrap iron and an empty plus 1 chest. What does that mean? Okay. Act 2 pala. Act 2. Get 2 ropes from loot after killing monsters. What does that mean? Oh. The dead bodies. The dead bodies I killed earlier. Here. Okay. Into the cannot be. Since we have already a food, I don't need your berries. Bro, what the hell? Oh, nga pala. Now what's next? Okay, let's go back to the hometown. Since our job is done. Now, our real job is done. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And see you for the next part. See you.